let's explore the interconnected nature of various cyber attack methodologies. At its core, attack dependencies often follow a sequential pattern, where one successful breach enables subsequent intrusions. When examining pivoting techniques, we can observe how attackers leverage an initially compromised system to launch further attacks into connected networks or systems. Moving our attention to a widely recognized threat, doxing represents the malicious publication of an individual's personal information online. This practice aims to cause personal harm or damage to the target through the unauthorized exposure of private data. In terms of security measures, non-repudiation plays a critical role in cybersecurity frameworks. This concept ensures that users cannot deny their actions within a system. To establish non-repudiation, organizations implement various authentication mechanisms, such as login credentials, biometric verification, or digital signatures. These measures create a verifiable trail of user activities. Speaking of security fundamentals, the concept of control encompasses all deliberately implemented measures designed to minimize risk. This broad term applies to any systematic approach organizations take to enhance their security posture. When considering accountability in information security, the focus lies on establishing responsibility for actions within the system. This connects directly to the principle of non-repudiation, which ensures that users cannot deny their digital actions. For example, when a document bears a digital signature, it provides clear evidence of who performed specific actions. The concept of authenticity stands as another critical element in information security. This involves the verification and validation of legitimate items and documents. The process helps establish that materials and communications are genuine and unaltered. Moving to Enterprise Information Security Architecture, EISA, this comprehensive framework encompasses the entire organization's security approach. EISA operates as a structured process that integrates all aspects of information security. This includes managing processes, people, technology, data, and systems across the enterprise. Furthermore, EISA provides a systematic method for implementing security controls throughout the organization. The architecture ensures that security measures are consistently applied across all organizational levels and departments. In terms of practical implementation, these security concepts work together to create a robust defense system. While mitigation strategies help minimize potential damage, accountability measures ensure proper tracking of actions, and authenticity verification maintains the integrity of information assets. Speaking of integration, these security components must function cohesively within the EISA framework. This coordination helps ensure that security measures effectively protect the organization's information assets while supporting business operations. So these fundamental security concepts, mitigation, accountability, authenticity, and EISA, form the foundation of a comprehensive information security strategy. Understanding these elements helps organizations build and maintain effective security systems that protect their valuable information assets.